These are the WORKPRO 4-inch heavy-duty casters. Company sent me this product to check it out and make video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, packed up real nice in this box here. I got these casters to put on my bass guitar cabinet, and you can see me doing that over here. I was using a small flatbed to move it in and out of gigs, and these big boys here will allow me to just roll it in with my second cabinet stacked on top of it. I've used something similar to these before, and it worked out real good. These are heavy-duty casters with the galvanized steel housing on there, which is pretty good for rust resistance. We got dual support bearings, wear-resistant steel balls. They say that 4 of these casters can support up to 4,760 pounds when stationary, though I have no way to demonstrate that. And they say that it can do up to 2,200 pounds per caster when in motion. So that's 550 pounds per caster. The wheel tread section here is made of polyurethane, which is a good choice. PU's known for durability, being able to support high load capacities, and it's a good choice for absorbing shock and floor protection. They have double ball bearings and a smooth roll to them, and they have 360-degree rotation from the swivel mounting plate, which makes things way easier to move, especially if you're pushing a heavy load. Something that I really like about these is that all 4 of the casters have a dual safety lock on them. So when you engage the brake, it locks both the wheel and the swivel. To me, that's way better than just having a brake on 2 of the wheels, because I always find myself with the brake on the wrong side. That's just me. And they've given us everything we need to install them. They have Phillips head wood screws, washers that go on those. We have nuts and bolts if you're going to be running them through metal. I believe these are 14 millimeter. So there you go. A set of casters like these would be great for industrial or residential use. You know, good for workbenches, furniture, trolleys, carts, cabinets, guitar cabinets. Very nice.